Okay, today we are gonna unbox and review this hyper tough solar LED security light. $40 at Walmart. Okay, as you can see right here, motion detection, a 180-degree detection angle, and yeah, you can read all that information right there. And right here, 1000 lumens. Yes, solar battery. Okay, so we are gonna open it and see what's in here, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like at nighttime. Yeah. First, you're gonna find this thing right here. Yeah. All the screws and yeah, all the instructions how you're gonna set it up. And now you have to place this thing under the sun, under 3 sunny days. Yeah, you gotta charge the battery for 3 days straight, sunny days. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. First, we're gonna open this thing right here. We're gonna see how it looks like or what's in here. Okay, that's the screws right here, and that's gonna be your light. Yeah, that's gonna be your motion sensor, your light, and that's the battery right here. And as you can see right here, all you gotta do is you're gonna place this on the wall first. Yeah, and then once it's on the wall, you're gonna come and slide it. Yeah, like that. And then take it off. Okay, that's the light right here. Motion. All right, let's put it back in the bag and let's move to the next thing. Okay, next right here we got the solar panel. Yeah, that's where you want to charge your battery. It's kind of big right here. Yeah. And then that's your cable is like, I don't know how many feet. It's like, probably it's like 10 feet or more than that. Yeah, it's like about 12 feet. Yeah. You're gonna plug it in here. Somewhere. Yeah, you're gonna plug it in somewhere around here, and you're gonna plug it in down here. And that's when that's your settings right here. Yeah, that's your settings. That's gonna be for yeah. As you can see, your settings right here. Okay, we're gonna see how it looks at the nighttime. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for a little bit to get dark, and then I'm gonna shoot a video about nighttime. Okay, I'll see you in a couple. Okay, and now we are gonna see how these lights look like at nighttime. It's kind of dark now, as you can see. They only work at dark when it's dark right here. Okay, yeah, nighttime, as you can see right here. That's my home. It's getting really dark around here. Yeah, they're really good at nighttime. Yeah, they're really good at nighttime. The light is good. But okay, there you go.